Yeah.
The channel's dead, dude.
Yeah, the channel's dead.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
We're not dead. Well, I'm not. Probably Oscar. Just JK. Well, yeah, we haven't posted a video for a long time, but what's up, guys? We're alive. Don't worry. We're coming back. We're coming back real hard. We're gonna drop a new album, not just JK. No, but we're dropping a new video today. Well, if you guys are watching it, yeah, we already dropped it. But anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Since 2 months. But anyways, yeah, we're here. Probably we're gonna do some installing stuff on the Z4 replacement, not installing, replacement, and check where the fuck the cooler is leaking from this bitch, because it runs, but it is something's going on with the cooling system on this dirty bitch. But anyways, right now what we're gonna do on this car, let me see, where is the park, Christian? Oh, but first we're gonna put this, probably gonna put this right now on this E36. This is what I put on the Z4 to find the leaking problem on this, on the Z4, and it turned out the gasket on the water pump was leaking from there, from the water pump. So I'm gonna put this and try to find the leak. Que caiga. No, el carro. Que, like, roll it down. Hey, dale. So dale. Oh, that's it. Engine. See? Something with the starter, huh? So now we're here with Christian. Shit. Let's see if we can get the light on. There we go. And this is what sucks about the Z4 panels. Well, I don't know, technically every new car it has this stupid phone thing. So you don't
This is a Z4.
Weapon?
This is just this car.
It was
the
just
Hummer has rubber that's easier to take off.
Oh, okay. So right now we're just gonna replace everything. I mean, transfer the motor to the new regulator, and I was looking to find where's the damage, and if you can see here, let me focus it. You see that wire already feel like, ¿cómo se dice? Como pelándose. Just breaking. Oh yeah, breaking.
The strand broke.
Christian, by the way, are you still looking for a project car?
Yeah. Rear-wheel drive has to be bigger than a 4-cylinder and has to be manual.
What kind of car what type of car and ethnicity do you want?
Any. Has to be a 2-seater.
2-seater?
I mean, I'll take a freaking E36 4-door también, pero preferably 2-seater. That way I don't have the option to freaking give people rides.
Damn, bien cool. Edo. But same here. I have a 2-seater too.
Especially freaking people in my school.
Fucking Christian, just get a Miata with a swap already. Fuck it.
All by Caesar's 240 though.
All by Caesar's 240. Just make it a 2-seater.
Just cage it.
Cage in and shit.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Bring us back in.
So now it's the bitchy part to put it back in. So yeah. What is that?
What clamps it down?
Oh. The window? Okay.
Over
So-
here just snaps on with this. Just snap it on and then put this back on.
Alright.
Over here, this
Two bolts.
goes through the window.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Probably we're not gonna show you the glamour shots. We're just gonna do it right now and then probably get back to you guys right now. So yeah, we'll see you around. Alright, so the new window works now. So if you see, it doesn't make a noise no more. So we're pretty good. I was gonna say mint, but we're pretty good now. So right now, I'm just gonna take the Z4 out and then drive the E36. So yeah. Alright, so right now, I just drove the car and to let the coolant circle around the engine, and we're gonna let it sit down, cool off. So yeah, we'll see if there's a leak going on, so we'll see. Alright, right now we're checking the E36 for any coolant leaks. It doesn't look, what does it? Doesn't even look bad. That's the oil cap. Let me see. I'm trying to zoom in. Trying to focus. Alright. This is what's supposed. Open the radiator. This is what it's supposed to look like. Or you gotta angle the phone. There we go. So it's supposed to look like.
It's supposed to look like the
like a
You
highlighter.
can put everything in.
Yeah. And plus you gotta put everything in.
The universal one in.
Yeah, it looks
Bright yellow.
Yeah, it's like we even look at the oil inside, like
Through the oil fill.
oil, yeah, and it doesn't look like anything that's in there, but like I still have, like I drove the car, but could drive it more, but we haven't looked under if there's anything under or in the plugs, but who knows, we'll see what we could find. If not, I think I'm just crazy, let's just say that. So what happened, Christian? I don't know, you guys can see it.
No.
No, you cannot see it. Let me see. Fuck. There we go. You gotta zoom as they have focus it. Yeah. Fuck. Fuck me.
Turn the head or the block?
Probably is the block. But it shouldn't turn on. And Christian was about to bleed the coolant. I got told him it's leaking. Christian, it's already too much to bleed. So yeah, that's kind of the biggest disappointment. But it's not leaking when it's hot. It just, I think it leaks when it's just cooling down or just turned off. So yeah, so pretty much biggest disappointment, but I already knew something was really bad or really wrong with this car, but it still drives and everything, but gotta be careful with the cooling level. So now I gotta See, probably tomorrow we'll just retorque the head bolts. I mean, yeah, the head bolts. Or the head bolts. What the fuck? Yeah, we'll just retorque them and see if that fixes the problem. Cause like I said, it only leaks when it's cold. Like when it's hot, it doesn't smoke it doesn't even smoke out. It just only, I think it only leaks when it's off, like right now, or pressurized. So
Metals aren't expanded.
yeah, so when the metal's not, yeah, there we go. Broke my wallet.
Oh, big money waster.
Yeah, that too.
I've been too lazy.
Just teases people.
I've been lazy.
Ricky, so we're dead, right?
We're
We
dead?
haven't- Yeah, we haven't posted.
I'm not dead. I don't know about you.
Yeah,
Channel's dead, dude.
yeah, the channel's dead.
Well,
Yeah,
you
the
guys
channel-
don't. You guys don't post, man.
I stay away. The camera's at home. You don't even use it. Nah, it's just funny.
Hey, bro. I have a personal life. I'm busy. I work at the weekends working at Just Tires.
Damn, ya dijo todo, güey. Nah, but he doesn't know which just tires. But what's it, anyways, Ricky? So you are selling the truck? Yeah.
Yep.
Ah,
$5
$5
with the chassis.
Damn.
That's just a chassis.
Just the chassis.
Just a chassis.
Who knows? Well, yeah. Hit up Ricky if you guys want to buy this
He does
mini
payments,
truck.
he's gonna pay for it.
Yeah.
I charge high interest though.
High
Hi, Joe
interest.
B. Hi, Joe B.
So yeah.
That's finance.
Finance.
I do financing. with the 12.5% APR.
Su madre.
That's pretty generous.
So yeah, he's pretty much
If you
selling.
refinance it, I'll set down to 10.
Yeah, so pretty much the truck has been taken care of from this fool. This,
I don't abuse it like
I don't know
Oscar.
about the bottom.
Damn.
Oscar abuses it. The body that's
I said the bottom.
oh the bottom is different. Okay.
Oh.
No, it can go on the lift. Just not the alignment rack.
I just broke my neck, dude. What is it?
What is what?
Your car.
It's a Cougar, bro. I don't want to have it on too long because I think. my
Oh,
battery's
tell the
going
people,
out.
not me.
I'm camera shy though.
What happened?
I'm camera shy, bro.
The uniquest car here, dude.
Ah, fuck yeah, thanks, man.
So,
Ricky, just get an MR2, dude.
An MR2?
Yeah.
I want one.
Oh, and the back.
What happened?
He's got cup holders.
Esos güeyes se pasaron.
What the fuck? It's a Subi. It's a
Hold up, is it an Evo or a Subi?
It's a I guess it's a Subi.
Subi Evo. Ya me confundió, güey.
It's the STI too.
STI.
I didn't see that shit. What the fuck? Oh no, this is the beauty right here.
What can I say?
Do you guys remember that mini truck?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Just cover fiber everything, dude.
Hey, this one too? Oh, actually, it's just the hood and fender.
Just the hood. Oh no, the fenders too. This one's sick.